Hi, Amy here. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create an Xboard in just 10 minutes. Once you are logged into my Xboard account, click the Create New Xboard button. This asks you to give the name to your new board. For this tutorial, we are going to make a staff holiday planner, so we name the board accordingly. Click Generate New and your board will be created. You will now see your new Xboard in a list, so simply click on it to open it. So here we are with our new board. It's just one panel and one column. To make any changes to an Xboard, you must first click Enter Edit Mode button. When in edit mode, no other users can make any changes. Now let's give this panel a description, and we call it Staff Holidays. So to do this, we click on the panel header and a menu will appear. To change the header text, click on Header Settings and then Header Option. Replace panel header text with Staff Holidays, and then use the font controls to adjust to your liking. Now we are going to add columns for staff name, department, and so on. We want 5 columns in total, but we already have column 1. So we click the header, select Add Columns, and then add 4 columns, giving us a total of 5. Then, click each column header to change the column description. Note how we are using font controls to make each column bold. Finally, we need to adjust the width of each column, which you do by grabbing the column bar edge, like this. Note, you can alter column widths easily at any time in the future. And that's it! You've just created a new Xboard for staff holiday recording. Now let's go and put some data onto it. We add a new blank row by clicking on the panel header and then clicking Add Row. Then double-click anywhere on the new row and select Edit. You are presented with a pop-up window so you can enter the data for each column. Just type this in and click Save, and the new row will be displayed on the board. Let's put in a couple of example people. First will be Mark, who works in the admin department. He has had 25 days holiday entitlement. He has had 9 days off so far this year, so we put all that in. Next is Charlotte in sales with 21 days holiday and so on. Now just pop in a few more rows to make this Xboard a little bit busier. Okay, that's a few more added. Let's show you how MyXboard will be used to display things. You can drag and drop rows. You can change panel and column headers color. You can change the row color. You can create a merged row. You can resize your panel. You can drag and drop your panel anywhere on the screen. And you can create an exact copy of your panel. If you need to add a new panel, simply click Add a New Panel button from the user menu. If you want to remove any unnecessary panels, click on the panel header and select the Remove Panel option. Your panel and data will be removed permanently. If you want to add an image to your screen, click the Add Image button from the user menu. A pop-up window will appear where you can upload your selected image. You can drag and drop your image anywhere on the screen. Also, you can resize your images to your desired size.